welcome to all my subscribers. And if you're new to my website, I hope you enjoy the videos. You've come to a very eclectic site. I should say I, the numero uno, who does everything. And what we're doing here is we're doing a video that is showing how to use multiple cameras. And it's just one of the aspects of my site. I do some tutorial videos. I do videos for RVs, RV repairs. I do tips and tricks in every area that you could think of. Kitchen, garage, vehicles, you name it. Installation of new products. Go to my site, or if you're already on my site, then go to one of the topics that you think might be interest and click on it and enjoy the videos. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart for coming and watching my videos. So thank you very much and enjoy.